Hi, I'm Ben Esdell. I'm a consultant dermatologist here at Skin & Me. And so a dry skin type is a skin type that produces less oil than normal skin, oil being also known as sebum. So people with dry skin will often describe their skin feeling tight, often a few more lines than normal, and it feels often dehydrated. Okay, so the key ingredients for people with dry skin are hydrating moisturizers. And ingredients to look out for are things like shea butter, glycerin, ceramides. These all help retain the moisture in the skin and help fight the dryness. In terms of products to avoid with dry skin, it's really important to avoid dehydrating chemicals. So avoiding soaps and detergents is really important because they can strip natural oils from the skin. Also, acids such as alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acids these are chemical exfoliants, and they can further strip off the top layer of the oils from the skin. So avoiding those sort of irritant and drying chemicals are really important. An oily skin type is a skin type that produces a lot of oil, or also known as sebum. This is often around the central face, so the T-zone of the face, so across the nose and around the eyebrows. So in terms of products to use in combination skin, it's really important to use a gentle cleanser. If you use too harsh a cleanser, although it will help with the oily part of the face, it can often aggravate and worsen the dryness on the drier aspects of the face. So using a gentle cleanser is really important. So sensitive skin can be dry and it also can be oily. And sensitive is a sensation that people feel. So people often describe stinging or a burning sensation. And these can be caused by a number of factors. So it can be from chemicals themselves, or it can be from environmental things. So even triggers such as cold weather or even hot weather can cause these unpleasant sensations. So in terms of products to use with sensitive skin, it's really important to use a gentle cleanser and a gentle moisturizer. You don't want to use any harsh ingredients in your cleansers because that's going to further irritate and upset the skin. People often ask, what is normal skin? And I think how I best describe normal skin is someone that doesn't notice any problems with their skin. It doesn't feel sensitive, it doesn't feel dry, and it doesn't feel oily. They're very comfortable in their skin in most environments. So does someone's skin change over time? And the answer is yes. So especially in women, we see significant changes in skin over the ages. Now, we know that estrogen plays a key role in the skin. There are estrogen receptors in all layers of the skin. And as a woman goes through menopause, particularly the perimenopause, premenopause, and then postmenopausal, there's enormous amounts of changes to the skin. So we know estrogen plays a really important role in oil production in the skin. So skin often becomes dry. So people who may have had normal or even oily skin can sometimes notice that their skin changes and becomes very dry. Now the actual texture of the skin also changes. So the scaffolding or collagen and elastin that hold your skin together in the dermis has huge changes during the menopause. And we know in the first 5 years after menopause, you can lose 30% of your collagen. So that can have huge textural changes to the skin. So we see significant changes as people get older.